I lost 20 pounds in 3 months, and today I will share with you my plan that you can get started on today. There are 4 main ingredients that help me in my weight loss journey. Let me walk you through each and stay until the end to find out how you can get all of this in a form of a natural supplement and start your weight loss journey today. Now, don't worry, besides the discipline, it does not require tons of money. I will share with you an actual plan and my product list to make it happen. Starting with the first one, Berberine. Berberine is a natural compound found in several plants. It's been used for centuries in traditional medicine, tackling everything from digestive issues to infections. But what's really exciting is its potential benefit for weight loss and the blood sugar diabetes management. Recent studies showed that berberine could be a game changer in the fight against obesity. It works in several ways, like affecting your gut microbiome and influencing how your body processes glucose. This can help to manage your weight more efficiently in a really short period of time. Berberine has been observed to improve important markers like fasting glucose and hemoglobin A1C levels, similar to some diabetic medications. My personal A1C level in only 3 months reduced from 5.9 to 4.9. If we dive deeper into how berberine impacts blood sugar glucose, we will find out some more promising results in reducing blood fasting as well as after meal glucose levels. In fact, it may reduce those levels by more than 30%, which is significant when it comes to the managing of diabetes. One absolutely fascinating aspect of berberine, it is potential to increase insulin secretion, especially in high blood sugar states. This means it could be safer than some of diabetic medications by reducing the risk of the hypoglycemia. Next up, we have lemon verbena, leaf extract, and the hibiscus. A recent study published in European Journal of Nutrition highlights that participants taking this combination of lemon verbena and hibiscus experience a noticeable decrease in appetite. I definitely back it up because I definitely felt a significant decrease in appetite myself. This leads to increased feeling of fullness and, importantly, a reduction in your calorie intake. Imagine enjoying your meal and feeling satisfied with significantly less. But how does it work? Well, it's all about the hormones. This herbal duo influences the key hormones related to the hunger and satiety. For example, there was a decrease in leptin level, a hormone often associated with the hunger, and increase in GLP-1 level, which is known to induce the feeling of fullness. This hormonal interplay could be the secret behind managing these pesky cravings and helping you achieving more balanced diet. And there's more. The study also reveals an improvement in the cholesterol levels, which is a decrease in LDLs, a bad cholesterol, and an increase in HDL, a good cholesterol. This is an excellent news for overall blood vessels and heart health. Have you ever thought that the flower could be your ally in weight loss management? The hibiscus flower, a vibrant bloom not just known for its beauty, but also for its surprising health benefits, especially in the weight loss. Let's dive into what science says about the hibiscus flower extract. Well, the recent study have shed the light on this flower's potential in aid on weight loss management. For starters, hibiscus is low in calories, making an excellent substitute for high-calorie drinks. Opting for a cup of unsweetened hibiscus tea over the sugary beverage can significantly cut down your calories intake, an essential step in weight loss. But it's not just about being low in calories. Hibiscus has been found to possess the properties that might help you reduce the body fat. How? It's linked to its ability to influence your metabolism and fat accumulation. Think of hibiscus as a natural agent that helps your body manage the way it stores and uses fat. In the study involving the overweight participants, those who consumed the hibiscus extract showed a reduction in the body fat and an improvement in their lipid profiles. That means alongside shedding pounds, you may also be looking at much better cholesterol levels. And there's more. Hibiscus is known for its satiation benefits. Drinking hibiscus tea can definitely help you to feel full, reducing that urge to snack on extra calories. It's like having a natural appetite suppressants that not only effective, but also enjoyable to consume. Next on the list is the green coffee bean extract, GCE. The green coffee bean extract has been grabbing attention of health wellness community for a while, particularly for its potential benefits in weight management and glycemic control. A systemic review and dose response meta-analysis of randomized control trials found that GCE can significantly reduce the BMI, body mass index. The study included 13 articles with 16 randomized control trials, revealing a noticeable reduction in BMI as well as the change in the body weight and weight circumference. Interestingly, the trial showed that the individuals with higher BMI, like 25 and higher, experienced a greater reduction in body weight as well as the BMI compared to those with a lower BMI. The effectiveness of GCE in weight reduction seems to be more pronounced in those who are already overweight or obese. Another study highlighted by the Cleveland Clinic showed that the participants who took 400 milligrams of green bean extract daily for 8 weeks alongside of calorie reduction diet lost weight compared to those who only followed the diet. This study underscores while the GCE might contribute to the weight loss, it's not a standalone solution and should be a part of the broader lifestyle changes involving diet and the exercise. And there you have it, guys. 4 ingredients that play a crucial role in my weight loss journey: berberine, lemon verbena leaves, the hibiscus, and the green bean extract. Each of these natural wonders has its unique way of supporting weight management and promoting a better health. Remember, my journey of losing 20 pounds in 3 months wasn't just about these ingredients. It was about balancing approach that including a healthier diet, regular exercise, and commitment to a healthier lifestyle. These supplements can be a great addition to your regimen, but they work much better when you combine it with overall health habits. As promised, here are the 3 supplements that I was taking to combine all these ingredients together and much, much more. Metabolic Manager, CM Core, and High Thelonic. I will be talking more in depth about each one of this in future videos. You can find our wellness protocol on our website, rebalancednyc.com.